This week in the BAS disassembly hangar, we have a Cessna 340A. Now, this is an exceedingly rare airplane. It's a big upgrade to the 310, and it is in our disassembly shop because it had a hard landing and caused some damage, which totaled the aircraft. But we are going to get a laundry list of great parts from this 340A. We have both Continental TSIO 520N turbocharged engines with all the accessories and the turbo components. We have a Garmin GNS 530W, GNS 430W, and a GTX 330. It's got a PS Engineering PMA8000G autopilot and a JPI EDM 760. Lots of good avionics in this aircraft. We're going to get the upper cowling, the main gear assembly, the nose gear assembly, elevator, horizontal stabilizer, rudder, vertical fin, the spinner dome, all of the seats and interior components, control yokes, instrument panel, and the left-hand flap on this aircraft. If you're in need of some of these exceedingly rare parts, make sure you call us soon. Be sure to like and subscribe.